We did the sizing.
These are the only ones that barely fit.
We got inflatable underwear to make sure we don't sink.
Nice. What's your strategy?
Chaos.
We're going to be the winning submarine.
The only submarine in the canoe race. Oh! Turn that camera off!
They're putting us in the one with a hole.
I so want to take it out.
Have your attention please, it is Bank of Nevada men's A team. Once again, all coaches on.
Wait. Where's my dad at?
Oh, there's still a long time. I thought Daddy was in there.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I couldn't take the longest. We have another contestant for the Rangers racing.
Their entire boat is full of water.
Good job, guys. Finish it off, guys. Come on.
I'd be running.
That is too funny.
There was no way that was holding 600 pounds.
Oh, this is priceless.
Dad, did you catch any fish?
We were fine. See, we did the other team. I have someone pushing, swung their whole boat the other direction.
You guys got cheated.
That one boat wouldn't get out of the way.
They didn't give you the speedy canoe.
I think we were profiling those fat guys.
That's wrong.
You know what's so funny?
Wrong.
We got in the boat, and the kid looks at the starter and he goes, "Oh, this is a tipper." That's what he said right out of the gate.